dealing with a sensitive dry skin can be very tiring because you don't even know what to do. Sometimes when you use Mr. A product, it's not working, Mr. B is reacting on your skin. So this soap is going to help to moisturize your skin, make your skin retain water, and hydrate your skin very well. So in this DIY, you can do this by yourself. Okay, the base is affordable, and the two powder we're going to be using is also affordable. So here we have our goat's milk base. Instead of using the Graceline, I would advise you use the goat's milk. Okay, and here we have our honey. We're going to be using honey. Make sure you're using original honey. Okay, and we're using 4 grams of honey. And here we have two different powders. First one is licorice extract powder, and the second one is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is 0.5% and licorice extract is 1%, and we are making 150 gram batch size. Okay, so if you want to get like 2-3, you're just going to double this. Instead of 150 gram, you're going to make it 300 gram. Okay, so you cut the soap into a tiny cubes and you measure out your soap. Remember, we're making 150 gram batch size. Okay, so this is how you're going to cut it, so it will be very easy for you to for it to dissolve. We're not going to add water while dissolving this. We're just going to melt it like that. We're not adding any distilled water or any oil. So cut it into tiny cubes. Okay, we're making 150. I'm repeating myself again. So we're going to use a double boiling method, which is putting pot on the fire, put water, then you put your beaker, your glass beaker or your rubber beaker into it. So right here I'm going to pour the soap wherever you want to the double boil to honey melt and dissolve it. You can decide to add this direct, but the reason why I love dissolving this either with Graceline or with honey or vegetable Graceline, yeah, like I said earlier, is because I just want the powder to be very smooth, so it doesn't give me that kind, powder will just be showing on the soap after mixture. So this is how it's going to look after you dissolve the powders. Okay, now your soap is melted. Okay, so you go ahead and transfer or add the mixture of honey, licorice and turmeric into the soap. In my own case, I allowed the base to cool down a bit after double boiling. Allow it to cool down a bit because of the active, which is licorice extract. Licorice extract helps to brightening the skin, hydrate the skin and moisturize the skin. You can decide to add yours while the base is still hot, but me, I always allow the base to cool a bit before adding the powders or the rest of the things. Okay, so what you're seeing in the mold is the base soap, the goat's milk base soap. I just cut little into tiny pieces to place at the bottom, just to get that that kind of design, you understand. So that is it. It's not necessary if you don't want to do it. If you don't want to go into the stress, you can just melt your soap and add your powders, and that's it. This soap is very effective. It's just going to help to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, also fade dark spot because of the presence of turmeric powder, and liven the skin because of licorice extract, and also hydrate the skin. The base on its own is very effective when it comes to moisturizing. It contains a lot of moisturizing properties. Okay, so that is why I didn't add Graceline to it, because it contains Graceline already. So that's why I didn't add Graceline or oil to the DIY. Okay, so this is very effective, and you can make this at the comfort of your home. The whole thing here is affordable. The base soap, the turmeric powder, the licorice, the honey and the mold, you can get them, and make sure you are using a measuring scale. So you're just going to go ahead and pour this into the mold. Now if you are very sensitive, like I don't know, if you're a sensitive dry skin, please Don't scrub your skin, don't exfoliate your skin 3 times in a week. If you have once bleached your skin, once in a week is okay until you recover. But if you don't want to repent yet, like you still want to continue bleaching your skin, that is not going to take you anywhere, you can continue. But once you want to retire, you want to resign, please scrub your skin just once in a week, and always use more of moisturizer in the morning, afternoon, and night, and make hand cream your best friend. If you don't want your knuckles to be like something, I don't know, always use a hand cream. It's very, very important. So if you have a sensitive dry skin, whitening product is not actually that necessary. You just have to get a product that is suitable to your skin, that will just bring out your skin tone gradually. And when you stay consistent with that product and you follow the routine right way, you're going to get that perfect result. You're going to get a perfect result. But when you are looking for 5 days, 7 days, 2 weeks whitening, you're not going to end up well, because you end up having discoloration and hyperpigmentation all over your skin. What works for oily skin will not work for sensitive dry skin. Okay, so if you are a sensitive dry skin, always be conscious of what you're using, be it a soap, oil, lotions. Make sure you're not using a soap that will strip off your natural oil. Use more of moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, okay? And always be patient. Don't start product today, tomorrow you conclude that it's not working and you dump it. So this is the outcome of the product. Please subscribe and smash the like button. Bye.